In this video we're going to look at access settings for mouse and head pointer. And you can see that the settings are split into three main areas. Activation is the action that the user needs to take to select a cell. Highlighting is how a cell appears when the mouse pointer moves over it. And the computer control settings are applicable when using Grid 3 to control other Windows software. So activation first of all. The default setting is a straightforward click to activate. You can also choose hold to activate, and now I would need to hold down the mouse button for a certain length of time in order to make a selection, and there are options for how the progress of that appears. Other choices are dwell to activate, and in this case a mouse click is not necessary, just hover the mouse pointer for a certain length of time and the selection takes place. That's the settings you would use for a head mouse normally. And you can also use a switch to activate as well. The next area is highlighting, and we can choose whether the cell is highlighted by a change in the border colour or the background colour. And we can also choose for the cell to be magnified, and we can combine those effects together also. And we can choose the colour of the highlighting on the right hand side. I've also got options for audio highlighting. So for example, if I were to choose speak audio description, the label of the cell would be spoken when the mouse hovers over that cell. So I can test out my settings without leaving the settings screen itself by clicking on Test.
Cell 1, Cell 2, Cell 3.
And I'll click to hold, and
Cell 16.
you can see that I've activated that cell by the change in colour.
Cell 2.
The last area is computer control. The default here is zoom to click, and the settings I can change here are the level of magnification and the amount of time it takes to zoom into that magnification. You can also choose dwell to click or switch to click in these settings also. So that's an overview of the settings for mouse and head pointer.